So guys, today's grand semi-final between Pakistan and USA, and Pakistan is racing first. Pakistan played whole tournament very good and they are at their best. Pakistan is racing very smoothly and up to the mark. So let's see how much score Pakistan do. The next semi-final will be between Germany and Portugal. Oh wow, very good game by Pakistan. They are going at high speed and car is very well controlled. Wow, that's superb. Very good presence of mind, very good control with speed, with brake, everything is going perfect for Pakistan. And Pakistan have crossed 17,000 runs and it is huge target going to be made today. Wow, now Pakistan is above 20,000 and Pakistan end with 21,808. So America need 21,809 runs to win. So let's see if America achieves the target or not. America is very good team in terms of racing. The team who will win today will go to the final of the world racing. Wow, America is playing very politely and with presence of mind. Excellent game by America. But the target is very huge. Let's see if they achieve or not. America have crossed 12,000 runs. So they are going very good. They are close to the target. Now 15,000 runs. Oh, this is the end of the America. So Pakistan have won the match and they are into the final. So the Pakistan is into the final and the next semi-final will be between Portugal and Germany.